This is HRW98P102. We've got summit of Mount Everest is 8,850 meters above sea level. How much energy would a 92 kilogram climber expend against the gravitational force, that's his weight, in climbing to the summit from sea level? Okay, well, basically I'm just asking how much his potential energy changed. That's all. So change in gravitational potential energy. So that's going to be his gravitational potential energy at the top of Mount Everest minus his gravitational energy at sea level. Well, sea level we're going to say the height is 0. So basically this is 0, so this whole term is gone. I just need to do mg times the height of Mount Everest. So that is, m is 92 kilograms, g is 9.8 meters per second squared, and the height is 8,850 joules. Put that in my calculator and I get 7,979,160 joules. Oop, come on. Sorry, it froze for a second. Been doing that a lot. Notice the key has that in scientific notation. So I'm just going to go ahead and switch that into scientific notation. Here's my decimal right there. To get into scientific notation, I've got to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. So what I get is 7 point, I don't want all these decimals, so I'm going to round it off at 98 times 10 to the 6th joules. Okay, and that's what they have. Now, how many candy bars, if it's 1.75 megajoules per bar, would supply an energy equivalent to this? It must be an integer value. Okay, so this is how many joules I need to use up here. But I want to know how many energy bars that is. This is a conversion. It's just a simple conversion. We've probably done those a billion times, or that's an exaggeration. You haven't done them a billion times. That's silly. So I need to convert 7.98 times 10 to the 6th joules into candy bars. So I'm going to multiply by 1 candy bar per 1.75 megajoules. Those don't match yet, but I can make them match. I know that there's for 1 megajoule, I have 1,000,000 joules. So that's 1 times 10 to the 6th joules. So now I do have some cancellations here. Joules cancel joules, megajoules cancel megajoules, and I'm left with candy bars, which is what I want. Okay, so I just need to put this in the calculator. I'm going to go ahead and kind of simplify this a little bit. I have a times 10 to the 6th on top and a times 10 to the 6th on the bottom, so those are going to go away. So really what I have is 7.98 stuff on top divided by 1.75. That's really what I've got. Okay, so I just have to put that in the calculator, and I get 4.56 candy bars. But here's the thing, you don't really do half candy bars, so you have to round up to the nearest whole number. So that's why the answer is 5, not 4.56. I'm going to have to buy 5 candy bars. I can't buy 4.56 candy bars. They just don't let you do that. Believe me, I've tried. So that's why it's 5.